Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 11th December 2018's pre-open analysis. You can see that SGX Nifty is showing 168.5 points down move with a change of 1.6% at the level of 10,349.5. Remember, yesterday market closed around the levels of 10,500. Now there is a huge downfall possible in the pre-open and the open session as well. Let's see what US markets have done. US markets have closed in positive all over, 34 points up for DowJones, Nasdaq 51 points up, and S&P 4.64 points up. Though US markets have been good, SGX Nifty is showing a great disappointment and it is showing a great tumble in today's market beginning. Seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in deep red in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have to offer this. The level of 10,377 will be a very strong support, and below that 10,321 will be a very strong support for the Indian market. It is more likely that we may open below 10,400 today itself. So that's the reason I'm giving the supports as 10,377 and 10,321 levels. Below that we have a very strong support at 10,280 and 10,230 and 10,200 levels are very strong support for Indian markets, which we think will not be taken off in today's session itself. Low stochastic is showing that we are still not in a oversold zone. However, fast stochastic is showing that we are in a oversold zone and that the market may revive from this particular level onwards. MACD is showing that we have lost momentum in the market. We may fall more in the session or today's session and the upcoming sessions as well. What are the resistances we have to watch out for? 10,500 of course is a very strong resistance. Of course, after above that 10,550 and 10,000, that is 10,552, which is the Fibonacci retracement level 61.8 in the previous one, and 10,600, 10,650, 10,673 are very strong resistances. Above that 10,700, 10,707 and 10,717 are very strong resistances for Indian markets. This is the technical analysis for today, and if you want this technical analysis knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.